good, Joe? Hope you're having an amazing day. Back at it. Apparently, there's a ginormous tornado that went through Oklahoma like yesterday. So, my prayers to any families affected. Hopefully, no one got killed or injured. I haven't seen nothing of that yet. But this video is Dr. Reed Timmer intercepts large Oklahoma tornado, April 23rd. Dr. Reed Trimmer stuck in a ditch and amid intense conditions, so he got shoved in the ditch. Bro, I was gonna react to a different video that looked crazy, but some people put like it's not for repost or stuff. Like, that's weirdo shit to me, bro. Like, are you good? Fuck, get your head out of your fucking ass. But anyways, hope you all are having an amazing day. Hit that like and sub if you could. We're gonna check this shit out. Looked absolutely insane. And yeah, don't be an arrogant, stuck up pussy and say weirdo shit like that. It's just weird, bro. Bro, that thing is fucking huge. Like, what the fuck? People that storm chase and tornado chase, you're out of your fucking mind, bro. Like, that's a different level of adrenaline. Like, you were playing with death. Then you have the audacity to tell me I can't re-upload it. Fuck you.
They're coming back at us. We got problems here. We're getting big wind. Don't go back up too far. Getting major wind. The violent one. Big problems. Keep holding, Matt. I got it.
Bro, this shit would be so crazy. Can't see nothing. The winds are so fucking powerful.
Oh! Look at it. Oh, it's trying to go southeast. Big problem.
I mean, I'm sure they got special equipment, but still, bro. Holy Christ, bro. Mother Nature is no fucking joke. Shit's horrifying. Braman.
I mean, it's right there. Take a look.
Bruh, that is huge. Dude's laughing and shit.
I think it's a lobster. You been on that?
Bruh.
It did go southeast, didn't it? It did, and then it wobbled east, excuse me. Wow! Immaculate. Debris fine.
Well, that answers your question as to why they do it right there.
Hey, KC, we might need some help out here.
And I ain't judging, bro. Do what you love. I'm sure it would be fun as hell, but holy fuck, that would be scary. Thing's fucking ginormous, bro.
It did go southeast, didn't it? It did, and then it wobbled east, excuse me. Hey, it's getting bigger in there.
Just ain't getting bigger. I saw on a different title that it wiped out like 40 homes or something like that, bro. And I know what that's like. I've lost a home to a house fire, so it's like losing everything fucking sucks, bro, and having to restart, so I feel for you, bro. But anyways, that was fucking nuts. Just absolutely insane, dude. Like, what are we even talking about? I feel for anybody, like I said. Let me know what you think if you're from there or just watching this, bro. Absolutely insane. Looks violent as shit. So, yeah, bro. I don't know. Hope you have an amazing week. Lakers play today. Hopefully we can go up 3-0. But, yeah, bro. Hope everyone's good. This shit blows my mind. Mother Nature is no fucking joke. Hope you all have an amazing day. Let me know more shit to watch.